Hello, this is English News Broadcast on ERi-TV for Thursday evening, 22nd of August 2024. We're live from Asmara and thank you for joining us. Here are stories making headlines. Vocational training provided for 250 staff members. Contribution of student summer work program. India's Modi urges effort to end Russia-Ukraine war. Democratic Republic of Congo, 20 dead and hundreds missing in boat accidents. The Central Region Administration has provided vocational training in various fields to 250 of its staff members. The training program, which began in July, covered areas such as financial management and documentation, secretarial science, office management and administration, and leadership. Speaking at the closing event of the training program on 22nd August, Mr. Teki Egaleta, Director General of Administration and Finance in the region, stated that the training was part of ongoing effort to develop human capacity and provide efficient and timely administrative service to the public. He urged the trainees to apply the knowledge they gained in enhancing the institutional capacity of their workplace and to continue upgrading their skills through practice. Mr. Zerit Toldabrhan, Managing Director in the region, congratulated the trainees and emphasized that the regional administration prioritizes human resource development to ensure the public receives efficient and timely service. He also encouraged the trainees to practically apply the training they received in their work and to share their knowledge with their colleagues. The trainees in turn expressed that the training has placed a significant responsibility on them to diligently serve the public. Certificates of recognition were handed out to the trainees and trainers. The annual Student Summer Work Program has been reported to significantly contribute to environmental stabilization and mitigation the effect of climate change. Residents of Haggaz and San'af subzones indicated that the Student Summer Work Program has achieved commendable results in environmental rehabilitation, planting and cultivating tree seedlings, and renovating school compounds, among other activities. Mr. Garazgeher Birhane, the coordinator of the program in Haggaz subzone, stated that the program, which ran from 8th July to 17th of August, saw the participation of 900 students, teachers, agricultural experts, and partners. Notable activities were carried out in Hashishai, Karmad, and Haggaz. Engineer Freedom Ephraim, an expert in water, soil, and irrigation farming in the subzone, reported that through the program, 1,350 holes were prepared for planting tree seedlings. Over 4,000 meters of terraces were constructed, and approximately 1,250 cubic meters of water catchment schemes were built. Mr. Kibrom Gabre Yohannes, a water and soil conservation expert in the San'af subzone, added that beyond the commendable activities, the program has played a significant role in fostering unity and developing a strong work ethics among the participating students. Those were local news updates. Stay tuned for international ones. Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged diplomatic effort to end the war in Ukraine during a visit to neighboring Poland today, pledging India's support to saying that no conflict can be solved on a battlefield. We support dialogue and diplomatic efforts for the restoration of peace and stability as soon as possible, Modi said following talks with Poland's Prime Minister Donald Tusk. Tusk stressed that India can play a very important role in bringing an end to the war that is raging on other sides of Poland's eastern border. Sitting on the eastern flank of NATO and the European Union, Poland is concerned about the two-year-old war across its eastern border. It's offered political, humanitarian, and defense support to Ukraine. Modi and Tusk met for talks on security, the war between Ukraine and India's strategic partner Russia, and invigorating bilateral ties. Later, the Indian leader was to meet with Poland's President Andrzej Duda. Then Indian President Pratibha Patil visited Poland in 2009, and Tusk, during his first term as Prime Minister, paid a visit to India in 2010. A boat accident on the Lukeni River in western Congo this weekend has left at least 20 people dead and hundreds missing, the local officials said on Tuesday. It's the latest fatal boat accident in the Central African country, where overloading is often the problem, notably in June when an overloaded boat sank near the capital and 80 passengers died. The motorized wooden boat was carrying about 300 passengers and was sailing at night when it collided with the sunken barge, Kutu Territory Administrator told a news conference. At least 20 bodies were found during the search on Tuesday, the administrator told the Associated Press. Another 46 people have been rescued and hundreds are still missing, he said. Night navigation is illegal in Congo, and Provincial Commission is currently at the site of the accident to determine who is responsible. Governor Lewon Nikoso Kevan of Mainidombe province said on Tuesday, Congolese authorities have often warned against overloading and promised to punish those who violate maritime transport safety measures. Before we go, we have a quick recap of the top stars. Vocational training provided for 250 staff members. Contribution of students' summer work program. India's Modi urges effort to end Russia-Ukraine war. Democratic Republic of Congo, 20 dead and hundreds missing in boat accidents. And that wraps up our news broadcast for now. Thank you for watching. Good night.